An example of an experiment that clearly involves operant conditioning is B.F. Skinner's experiment with rats and pigeons using the Skinner box, also known as an operant conditioning chamber. In this experiment, Skinner placed a hungry rat inside a box equipped with a lever. The rat would accidentally press the lever, and food would be dispensed. Over time, the rat learned that pressing the lever resulted in reward food, which increased the likelihood of the rat repeating the behavior. This is an example of positive reinforcement, where a reward strengthens a behavior. Similarly, Skinner conducted experiments with pigeons, reinforcing behaviors such as pecking at a key to receive food. He also introduced negative reinforcement, where an aversive stimulus such as a mild electric shock could be removed by performing a certain action, increasing the likelihood of that behavior occurring in the future. Other examples of operant conditioning experiments include Thorndike's puzzle box experiment. Thorndike placed a cat inside a puzzle box and observed how it learned to escape by pulling a lever, demonstrating that behaviors followed by satisfying consequences, escaping and receiving food, were repeated. Token economy systems in behavioral psychology. These experiments involve rewarding participants, often in educational or clinical settings, with tokens for desired behaviors, which they can exchange for a reward, demonstrating positive reinforcement. Teaching a dog tricks using treats. A dog trainer rewards a dog with a treat when it successfully performs a trick. Over time, the dog learns that performing the trick leads to a desirable outcome, reinforcing the behavior. Conclusion: the experiment that involves operant conditioning is the one in which behavior is influenced through reinforcement or punishment. If an experiment involves rewarding or punishing a subject to shape behavior, it falls under operant conditioning rather than classical conditioning. Skinner's work with rats and pigeons, Thorndike's puzzle box, and modern behavioral reinforcement studies are prime examples of operant conditioning in action.